In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, explains an important lesson for Muslims to learn and act upon. Chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 34.
And not equal are the good deed and the bad. Repel evil by that deed which is better, and thereupon the one whom between you and him is enmity will become as though he was a devoted friend.
It is easy to reply evil with evil. But what makes a Muslim special is when they reply evil with good. This is the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It is important to understand that behaving in this manner will never reduce a person's rank in any way. Otherwise, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, would not have acted in this way. In fact, a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 2029, advises that when one replies evil with good, such as forgiving others, Allah, the Exalted, raises them in honor. So this attitude does not only benefit others, but more importantly, it benefits the Muslim themselves. In addition, as indicated by this verse, if someone adopts this attitude, they will find that those who do not treat them well will eventually become ashamed of their actions and change their attitude. Even the most toughest spiritual hearts eventually become affected when treated in this manner. For example, when a husband mistreats his wife in a minor way, then it is best for her to rise above a negative reply and instead reply in a nice manner. This will cause the husband to respect and love his wife more. When a colleague at work shows bad manners, it is best to show them the quality of a true Muslim by replying with good manners. When one behaves like this, the people around them will respect and love them more, which will cause their life to become easier. But when a person replies evil with evil, they will always face more evil from others, and this will only make their life harder in both worlds. This is quite obvious if one reflects over this for a moment. It is important to note, when others exceed the limits, then one should defend themselves and detach from the abuser. But even in these cases, one should adhere to good character.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.